Hello everyone, now in the dark forest with Nitecore EDC27. Okay, it is a new flashlight from Nitecore, and thank you Nitecore for sending me this. Okay, it is ultra slim high performance EDC flashlight. Okay, 3000 lumens max, and it comes with OLED display here. Okay, which is very good. It tells you the real-time battery status. Okay, and turbo and strobe ready. Okay, here it has dual switch. Okay, you can access turbo and strobe, okay, from this button at any time. Okay, which is very good. And this is the power button. Okay, I have been using this flashlight for a few days. Okay, I have to say that I love it. Okay, it gives new experience. Okay, and it has a very unique design. Okay, very thin. Okay, like this. Okay, wow, it can fit in your pocket very well. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, this is the lowest mode. Okay, this is low. You can use low for walking around the forest. Medium. Okay, medium is good for walking around the forest. Okay, no problem. Quite bright. Okay, very good beam. This is high. Wow. Okay, high is 1000 lumens. Okay, I have tried high. Okay, high mode for 5 minutes, no heat problem, but actually it gradually step down. Okay, gradually step down a little bit. Okay, the flashlight is just warm. Okay, when I turn on this mode for about 5 minutes. Okay, no heat problem. Let me show you turbo. Okay, here turbo lasts about 10 seconds. Okay, let's see it together. Okay, here now it goes to high mode. Okay, let me show you strobe. Here is strobe. Okay, here. Okay, back to high mode. Very good flashlight. Okay, everything is ready for you to have self-defense. Okay, you can access turbo and strobe at any time here. Okay, half press for turbo, full press for strobe. Okay, very easy. Okay, and it can fit in your pocket very well. Okay, I really love this one. The OLED display is very good. Okay, it tells you the real-time battery status. Okay, very good. I really love this one. Okay, this is medium, good enough for walking around. For what I don't like about this flashlight, okay, the first of all, it is built-in battery. I'm a kind of person who don't like built-in battery, okay, and I think the size of this flashlight, I think it's quite long, okay. For me it's quite long. I think it can be shortened, okay. It would be better if it can be shortened, okay. But overall, for tactical use, I think this one is really good, okay. Turbo ready, strobe ready, very good, okay. I really love this flashlight, and thank you Nitecore to sponsor me this flashlight, okay. It's a really good tactical flashlight and very unique style, okay, unique design, okay. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.